This is a final video to fix the failed to Connect Handshake Failed error in Assetto Corsa. Are you facing this exact problem right now, where you cannot join your favorite racing servers? This annoying error happens because your computer and the game server fail to talk to each other properly. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are confusing, long, or very hard to follow for most players. I have 4 proven methods to fix this problem right here on Rexist, and I guarantee that at least one of them will work for you even if the problem is very critical. You should pause this video and try these methods one by one as they appear, or take screenshots of the instructions. These steps fix the deep connection issues that stop your game from loading. You do not need to worry about complex settings because Rexist makes everything simple for you. Follow the method steps by steps showing on the screen.